Check out the forecast around here. It's a little chilly, a little windy, but overall, I mean, for the middle of March, this is pretty normal weather, I would assume, Michelle.
Yeah, I was going to say, feeling very March-like,
yes.
Right? That wind off the water is still
in
chilly.
between, like the, the cold
not
and
warm,
not warm
not
enough.
frigid. Yeah. Certainly still needing the coat. Let's go ahead and take a look. Could use a little more sunshine. We've got a few limited breaks of blue sky in New Bedford right now. Temperatures this morning and now this afternoon have been climbing out of the 30s back into the 40s. 43 Providence and Smithfield. It's in the lower 40s in New Bedford and low 40s Newport, about 45 in Westerly. We've had a little bit more sunshine. Feel like temperatures, they're running in the 30s. So if you're headed out to grab lunch, you're definitely still feeling that chill with the winds gusting 20 to 30 miles per hour for most areas, but he's still seeing some stronger winds in the range of 30 to 40 miles per hour for the Cape and Nantucket. So those chilly winds continuing, going to lead our three key things. Even tomorrow is still blustery. We do remain dry through Friday, save for a couple of sprinkles over the Cape. Two systems to watch. The first one's looking more and more like a miss for Saturday. Monday into Tuesday, we've got to keep an eye on the track and impacts of that one, as it could bring a mix of precipitation into our area. Rest of today, mid-40s expected, cool, blustery, and mostly cloudy skies. Our live radar had a couple of flurries and snow showers move across Boston earlier this morning, and you can see just the occasional sprinkle approaching from the offshore waters here. As we widen out the view, we've got this big area of low pressure spinning well east of us. That is going to slowly be drifting away as high pressure off to the north and west of us. It's that change in pressure that's been generating these gusty winds, turning more out of the north as we head into the afternoon and evening. You can see the winds gusting still 25 miles per hour at 3 o'clock in the afternoon, and then dropping down slightly heading into this evening and tonight. It's going to make it feel like it's in the 30s the rest of this afternoon, and then by 8 o'clock tonight, those feel like temperatures are starting to fall into the 20s. As far as the air temperature goes, tonight's going to be a few degrees warmer than last night, low 30s, with a mixture of clouds and some moonlight breaking through. You can see 5 o'clock this evening. We're under mostly cloudy skies here in eastern New England, about 43 still in Providence. A couple of sprinkles possible over the Cape and Plymouth County. Most of that staying east of the Cape Cod Canal. 11 o'clock at night, partly cloudy and mid to upper 30s. And then by dawn tomorrow morning, low and mid 30s expected 7 a.m. Tomorrow's looking a lot like today, mainly cloudy skies, low to mid 40s, winds gradually dying down tomorrow. Let's talk about these two systems. First up, Saturday morning, our latest computer models well south. So clouds and a spot shower and some gusty coastal breezes expected, but high impacts right now looking low. As far as Sunday goes, it's the better half of the weekend. Sunshine and drier air in place along with lighter winds. And then Monday, later in the day and into Monday night, we'll be watching the track here of another wave of low pressure. It'll all be dependent on how close it comes to us, but there's the potential for rain and possibly some wet snow and some gusty winds. We're in the 40s for highs next several days. These are all seasonable numbers. Friday's looking a little nicer than today and tomorrow, less wind and more sunshine, especially to start the day. And then those light showers in the forecast for Saturday with mostly cloudy skies. 11 a.m. start for the Newport St. Patrick's Day parade, likely in the 30s with that chilly breeze expected. Sunday is a sunny, dry day and a few degrees milder.